Hello dear students, today we are going to start our biology practicals for class 12. The first practical from section A is to study pollen germination on slide. The material required for the experiment are flowers, any flower we can take with pollen grains, nutrient medium, slide, cover slip, petri dish, brush, needle and filter paper. Nutrient medium. How to prepare nutrient medium? Let's see how to prepare nutrient medium. We will be taking 10 gram of sucrose, 10 gram of boric acid powder, 30 milligram of magnesium sulfate and 20 milligrams of potassium nitrate. All these contents are mixed in 100 ml solution of water. The solution is prepared here. Stir the solution so that all the material they get mixed in 100 ml water. Every time when we perform this experiment, we have to prepare nutrient medium fresh. Like this, our nutrient medium is ready. Let's start with the practical. We will be taking flowers which are having pollen grains. Like this you can see, this is the flower of China rose, hibiscus. Any seasonal flower which are having pollens on it, you can take for experiment. The first step is to remove pollens and to keep it in the nutrient medium. So we take nutrient medium in the petri dish, in the watch glass, or you can take watch glass or the petri dish. Remove these pollens with the help of forceps, with the help of brush, and shed it in the nutrient medium. As these are sticky in nature, you have to use brush also. Like this. You can see pollens in nutrient medium. Now these pollens in the nutrient medium will get stimulated and the pollen tube will start originating out. Keep the pollens in nutrient medium for about 30 to 35 minutes. For about 30 to 35 minutes. After this, we will prepare the temporary slide of these pollens. After 35 minutes, take one of the pollen from the nutrient medium, keep it on the slide. Keep it on the slide like this. These are the pollens. Wipe the extra water with the help of filter paper, as it will absorb this extra water. Take it in the center of the slide. Take cover slip. This is the cover slip. Gently put this cover slip with the help of needle on the pollen grain. Tap it very gently, just tap it. You can tap with the help of brush also. Our slide is ready. Observe it under the microscope. First at the low power and then at the high power. We will be observing it under microscope. When you observe it under microscope, you will find these pollens, there may be 2 or 3 pollens or maybe single pollens on your slide. The pollens, as you see, the exine and the intine layer, the outer layer is exine, which is made up of sporopollenin, the hardest substance, and the inner layer intine. You can observe the emergence of pollen tube. The pollen tube of different sizes can be observed here in the slide. So this is how you are going to observe pollen tube germination, and if the pollen tube has grown in very high, more length, you can observe the male gametes also here. This male gametes would be transferred to the micropylar end of the ovaries. That's all, dear children.